This high-temp undercounter dishwasher from JetTech is perfect for bars and coffee shops that need to quickly clean dishes but are tight on space. Its booster heater raises rinse temperatures over the necessary 180 degrees Fahrenheit, and the safety micro switch on the door stops the wash pump when the doors open to keep users safe. Convenient to remove and maintain, the new dFilter system ensures that dishes emerge sparkling clean. The thermostatic controls regulate the wash and rinse temperatures, while the electric temperature gauge displays the temperature on the digital display. To add a JetTech high-temp undercounter dishwasher to your operation, call our customer care team or visit KaTom.com today.